showed you guys everything. I showed you guys my upsell. We scaled this one store, one product to $34,000. Guys, I'm sad to say this, but this is the last episode of the 30K in 30 day series. We're going to wrap it up. Big things. I'm going to show you guys the ads and the results from the launching of those 10 watches we did on the last episode. I'm going to show you guys the store, and we're going to fast forward to the end of the month, September the 30th, to see how we went. I want to thank everyone that has made it this far, the commitment you have put in to watch all these episodes. I'm more than thankful to have you watching this, and if you made it this far, thank you so much. Like, the fact that you got this far makes me feel very, very happy. Like, if you invested that much time, it makes this whole program and all the time and effort I put into creating this worth it. So thank you. Before we get into this episode, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winners here. All you have to do to qualify is drop a comment below, like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. But let's get right into the episode. So as you can see, these are the 10 campaigns for the 10 watches, and as you can see, we didn't do too bad. Literally, since our pixel is so strong, 1 2 3 4 5 6 out of the 10 watches got sales. That's pretty crazy. Yes, I had to let them run for quite a long time. A lot of them, I'd made a loss on letting them run for so long, but the ratio is crazy. Like, with my strong pixel, I could basically sell any single watch I want, and this just proves that. And then we're able to see that the Big Ben watch and the World Map watch did pretty well. They both weren't profitable, but one got 4 purchases, one got 2 purchases, and they were roughly $35 USD per purchase. So given this, all I need to do is hire a bunch of VAs and just launch 10 watches every single day, and eventually I'll find a new watch that does insanely well and just go off volume. And I repeat that again and again and again, and my pixel is just going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. When I find a winning watch, then I go ahead and convert the whole 360 Glide store to that watch. That's sort of what I did. So see how the world map got 4 purchases. I went ahead and was like, okay, let's sort of give the world map watch a try. So I went ahead and created a campaign called the World Map Watch. We scaled this to highly unprofitable, but we scaled this to 14 purchases. I went ahead and horizontally scaled with interest targeting. Had a bunch of sales, but nothing that really popped off. I even went ahead and converted the 360 Glide store to the World Map watch. As you can see, here's a watch completely converted. I just switched it out. And then this watch did didn't do too bad. Like, it had potential, but wasn't as profitable as I needed it to be. But with time, I just repeat this process again and again and again. And eventually I'm going to get another watch that I could even scale to 6 figures, 7 figures, because the watch niche is very, very strong. And over time, my pixel gets stronger and stronger. It gets easier and easier and easier to scale. But that's how you go ahead and really take one niche and take over that niche with your strong pixel. Now it's the store reveal time. So I'm going to go back to the Shopify dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and select September the 1st to September the 30th. Check that out. We made it. We exceeded the challenge. Like, it was supposed to be 30K in 30 days. We actually hit $33,771.55 in freaking 30 days. Technically under 30 days because we started on the 3rd of September. But we hit our goals, guys. Like, that's crazy. You guys were able to... I'm going to refresh again. You guys can see the bar. It's currently refreshing. Going to go ahead. Go to September the 1st to September the 30th. That's it. We hit our goals, and check this out. Look at all the top products. Like, we had 109 orders of people buying 3 freaking watches. Who the hell needs 3 watches? That's how strong the upsell was. And on top of that, we got a lot of upsell orders. Like, we made an extra I'm pretty sure like 5,000, like a few $1,000s was just from upsells. We got, $5,450 just from buy 2 get 1 free. We got a few orders of people actually buying 4 and getting 3 free, so that was surprising. But yeah, that's it. We hit our goals. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching this series. I really appreciate your time and effort. This is the end of the episode. This is the end of the series, and I really want to thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be putting out this much value. I really want to change the YouTube and educational space and just sort of differentiate myself from every single guru out there and just give away everything for free. And you know, I do hesitate with the thought of like, am I leaving money on the table? Is this content something I could have sold? Like, am I losing potential money that I could have got from this course? And you know, Gary Vee always talks about giving everything away for free. And you know, I really think and I believe that if I give, money would just follow. Now, you know, this isn't my full-time gig. You know, I still have my branded stores. I'm still working with a startup in America. But you know, I still have those thoughts of like, what if I sort of packaged and sold this course? Like, am I doing something bad by just giving it away? And you know, I'm going to be real with you, like that has been on my mind. But I really believe with giving, and I think if I give, eventually in the long run, it's going to pay off. So I just want to thank everyone that's made it this far, and please give me your thoughts on my decision. Was this the right decision? Please tell me your thoughts, because you know, I'm not asking for anything. I don't upsell. I did have that mini upsell with the, you know, full raw recordings, but I'm making literally little to no money off that. That isn't even an upsell. People would upsell like $100, $200, $300 program. My upsell is like a few bucks. Like, that's not even an upsell. That's not even going to make me any money. But hopefully this program, putting it out there for free, is able to sort of get me some attention, and that's sort of my goal, to sort of build up my personal brand, and hopefully be able to sort of bring you guys along with all my future journeys. And that's sort of the first step. This is going to be the first of many series, and based on how this goes, it's going to really determine what I'm going to do in the future with this YouTube channel. But I'm going to continue giving a lot of high quality content away completely for free, as you can see, as I've been doing. And I'm not going to be like most YouTubers where they just sort of repeat the same things over and over and over again. Every single video is going to be a completely brand new topic that I haven't gone through on my YouTube channel, and that's how I'm going to stand out, especially with this crazy series I'm giving away for free. And what am I going to sell? Probably nothing. You know, I'm living, like, thinking about it, I'm financially fine, so I don't need to sort of sell anything for a long time. I'm just going to continue giving, and you know, if I go broke, you know, I'll think of the solution then. But right now, I'm just going to focus on giving, and hopefully opportunities will come up. But thank you so much for watching. That's the final conclusion I wanted to leave this course with, as well as a massive thank you, and basically showing you guys my gratitude that I'm thankful if you made it this far, and if you're listening to this last message. Now, if you're listening to this message, please give me your feedback on what you thought about the series. That really helps, and please share this. Other than that, hope you had an amazing day. Hope you had an amazing time watching and following this series, and don't be sad, because there's going to be a lot more valuable content and series just like this to come. Peace.